YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook conditional formatting not working. So guys, if your conditional rules disappear or they stop working in the Outlook, so guys, it is usually caused by the profile issue, view corruption or synchronization problem. Okay, so guys, to fix this issue, first of all guys, you delete your all conditional formatting rules and recreate it. For this guys, first of all, you simply go to the home, simply go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of rules. Here you create new rules, enter any conditions according to you, and here you mark this rule, run rule now. Just mark it and save it. Okay, if you want to delete this, so you just click here and delete this rule and run rule now. Okay, second thing is guys, you try to run your rule now. For this, again go to the settings. If your older one is working, then go to the option of rules. Here click on these three dotted and click on the option of run rule now. So just click it and run rule now. Select your folder. Okay, another thing is guys, you try to refresh your page and close your application once. For this, simply close your application and again open it. And guys, you also try to restart your computer. It also help to refresh your computer. If guys it is not working still, so guys you try to use web application instead of Outlook desktop application. So you just simply go on the Chrome browser and search outlook.live.com. Here you try to check that your conditional formatting is working or not. Okay, and guys you also try to clear the caches. For clearing the caches, simply go here, then guys go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, click on the option of history. In history, select browsing data and select the option of delete. Okay, so these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue. And guys, still having the issue, so guys try to create a new Outlook profile. Okay, and set it to default. Still having the issue, then you update your Outlook application. Maybe older version create sometime these type of issues and lose the rule due to the bugs. Okay, so these are the basic fix that you can done to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.